Vegetate presents. Welcome to my garden. Okay, we are now going to be harvesting our corn, our glass gem corn. This has been growing, I don't know, for quite a while now. I noticed that there's worms have gotten into my crop, so as you can see a little tiny hole there. And even though I sprayed BT on it, still didn't get them in there, but I think we've got them. I haven't noticed the holes until today, so I check on it every day. So I'm going to let Aiden open up this for you. I'm going to see what it looks like. Alright, Aiden, open up the corn. Let's see what she looks like. Let's see the reveal.
There's a little hole right there.
Yep. Little hole. Come on, let's see that bad boy. Ooh. Look at that. Look at all that pretty corn. Yep, looks like the worms have got a hold of it. You know what? They didn't touch all of it. Look at that. That is beautiful corn.
It's a big one, too.
It's a big one, too. I was scared they were going to be all small and tiny. But that is full-size corn. Look at that. Break that piece off. There you go. Get rid of the bad part. Let me show it up close. Remove some of that. There we go. Pull that up. This is for you, Robin. You're the one who sent me the seeds. You asked me to film the reveal. There you go. That is your babies right there in my garden. Oh, it's still right there. Right there. That is awesome. Stay still. Okay. All right. This is a sliver of time. This is the harvest of our orange or our glass gem corn seeds. We'll be giving away some of our glass gem seeds in a giveaway very soon. So if you're interested, subscribe to our channel. Anything else you want to say, Aiden?
This is really pretty corn.
What do you think about it?
I think it's... You know how it has all those blues and orange, yellows and reds and purples and kind of green and beautiful.
Well, there you heard it from an 8-year-old kid. It's beautiful corn. Aiden.
It grows things.